Welcome to AI for Daily Living, where we help make everyday life easier. Whether that's cooking dinner, managing your money, planning a trip, fixing a problem, or staying healthy. Today's topic is how to get out of debt using AI. We will show you where to copy a detailed AI prompt to help you with this at the end of this video. If you're carrying a large debt, you're not alone. Credit cards, home equity loans, and personal loans can pile up quietly over time. The real challenge isn't motivation. It's knowing which debt to pay first. That's where AI helps. Using your real balances and interest rates, AI can build a personalized debt avalanche plan. It shows exactly where each dollar should go, how much interest you can save, and when each balance will disappear. Instead of guessing or juggling spreadsheets, you get a clear month-by-month payoff calendar that fits your income and lifestyle. At the end of this post, you'll find a copy and paste AI prompt that helps you build this plan step by step, calmly, clearly, and without judgment. See the links in the description to copy and paste a detailed prompt and to receive our free AI for Daily Living weekly newsletter. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. We publish 5 to 6 videos per month. You never know if this or the next video might change your life for the better.